Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. A quick little update. Gold's had a volatile day, up $30 an ounce, back to even, back to up 12. Because Jerome Powell and the Communist Federal Reserve spoke today, talking about they have the tools in the toolbox to tame inflation and blah, 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 yada, 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 which we know they don't and they can't do and they never will. It's all talk from the Fed, so gold is quickly rebounding. Do not get bluffed out of your positions there. That's a solid wheat and precious metals or any of the other gold stocks that you want to be in is going to be a solid play in the short or medium to long-term plays. Is going to be phenomenal gains for everybody. But the coins you can see are collapsing right now. And a big thing to notice and to pay attention to is the Bitcoin future or the Bitcoin dominance. So you can see Bitcoin's down 2.5%, but Bitcoin dominance is only down 1% or just under 1.25%, so about half. So that money that's selling out of Bitcoin is not selling off and moving into the altcoins. It's just leaving the marketplace, right? They're selling the Bitcoin and getting dollars. That's why your Quant, your Celo, and the Quant is down 6 and 1% respectively. And across the board, things are generally trending down today. There are a few ups, but mostly down today, right? You can see it's primarily down. Anything you look at, Ethereum, XDC, you can take a look real quick. You can see it's down, and you can see these candles, how it looks like it's a 1930s stock chart. There's not a lot of volume going on in this coin, so the momentum is dead in there, but it'd be very easy to move the price up or down because there's not much happening there. The XRP will go to because people like the XRP. You can see we're getting towards the bottom end of this support zone now that we were warning about, right? And as soon as you break that, you're coming down because as we know, we're moving down in this coin, and I have not changed this whole time from right here. When the price was here moving up, this is going 100% according to plan. And you can now see what's kind of forming after you broke out of that or broke down out of that rising wedge. You can kind of see you got major upper resistance if we put some lines in, and you can see where that's at right about there, right? And then if we take our horizontal ray line with some on-the-fly TA on top of our fib circle that has been playing out beautifully, and then if we go right here, you notice we got something going on down there, right? Let's make this a little bit bigger, right? See what we got going on down here? Now we can inch this up a little bit more, and conveniently it lines exactly up with the bottom part of our green support box, right? And what we think we got going on here, as you can see, we have a descending triangle, high, lower, right? Moving down this overhead resistance and horizontal support. Yep, that's right. We have a descending triangle playing out. Finish out the pattern with our industry exclusive wavy line tool. Then we'll go right here and we'll do a targeted move from the top to the bottom to the point of a breakout. And you see that gets us down to about the 92 cent level, which is coming in the beautiful play, which would be testing this support down here. And that's what we think we got going on here. It would fit out beautifully into the pattern, and that's what we think we got going on. You're in a descending triangle right here, right? We'll make this, match it. Come on. Right there. Make that blue. See that? There's your descending triangle, and that's what's going to bring you to the next part of the leg down. And the targeted move out of that, like we've been telling you in prior videos last week, this whole pump as Bitcoin's been skyrocketing, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing has been telling you that the price of Bitcoin, it does not matter for these altcoins to move. And this would make sense here to where then you could get bought back up a little bit like we were showing you the other day in a video. And then you get up and you trade up and then you get rejected by the green ring again, right? That's what I think you got going on in the XRP in a super simple on the fly technical analysis trading setup, technical trading from Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. That's what you got going on in the XRP. Like, subscribe, and share to the channel, as the rest of these coins will continue to bleed until the structure of the market changes, and we'll keep you updated when that'll happen, how that'll happen, and if that will happen. Peace and love. Peace and love.